To the apartment to this door, we have the kitchen over here. Kitchen has a gas stove, fridge, and a dishwasher. A lot of cabinet space right here. So over here we have the extremely spacious living room area. Right here. Dining room over here. And the first bedroom is right through the kitchen. Very large closet, tile floors, radiator heat. Plenty of space in the bedroom number one. Then over here we've got the bathroom. Storage. Sink. And through here we've got bedroom number two. Bedroom number two is extremely spacious. Very large closet space. Baseboard heating. And finally through here we've got bedroom number three. Bedroom number three over here. Very large space for bedroom number three. And back here to the entrance.